Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to return non-returnable items on Amazon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Amazon app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up to your account. Next, tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom. Now select the Your Account option. Then tap on Contact Us under Customer Service. After that, scroll down to find the I Need More Help option and tap on it. You will now see two options. The first is to chat with customer service, and the second is to request a call. If you tap on Request a Call Now, you'll be asked to provide your number. If you choose Start Chatting Now, you can chat with customer service by explaining your issue. In the message box, type something like, "Return an item. It was damaged." After that, Amazon will show you the appropriate solution to your problem. And that's it. So that's basically how you can return non-returnable items on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.